My name's Charlie Laughlin, and I work in the residential department at Commercial Service. Fixing a problem with a customer's plumbing system or HVAC system is really probably the easiest thing we do. Maintaining honesty, integrity, a good and fun work environment, those are the things that I think we've done really well in the past, and that we, as we get larger in our scope or our service area increases, those are the things that we really need to focus on now and in the future so that we don't lose track of that. What we've gained over the year is better service, a deeper, longer reach into the services that we're able to offer and the skill set in which we're able to offer them.